Hey everyone, so before I start this video I just want to show you this. Our store supervisor sleeping in the box. Well, she was. Meow. So get to work.
Alright.
And there's the yard manager. G'day everyone, welcome back. So I've just pulled out of my shed a piece of black butt. That's what I believe this is. It is a, I'd say it'd be a standard 2x4 sort of. Yeah, we'll go with that one. And my plan for this one is to make a carving mallet from it. So basically I'm going to cut out the strip where the handle's going to be, flare it up, and then I want to turn so this is curved and this is flat. Yeah, this is what I plan to do today, is turn this into a mallet. Right, oh look behind me, I've started on my my chisel or my turning tools rack. I'm sort of going to stick them. I got picked up some of these offcuts of I think it's Tassie oak or something like that, old bench tops, and yeah, a whole stack of them. Bought about $30 worth of these offcuts and they were $5 each, so yeah. Anyway, started on that. It's going slowly. Basically it's going to have tool racks around the shop. So there's one there for the Nova. I'll have one over there, over that way for the Letty. And whenever I do plan to buy a bigger lathe, I'll put ones over all over my shop, all over the shop. Oh, I've also started doing this. Talking about a new lathe, I've got a bugger bottle. So basically every time I have a piece flying off the lathe, I'm basically going to put an Australian $2 coin into the bugger bottle. And basically the theory is if you fill this all the way to the top with $2 coins, that you should have a lot of coins. So hopefully this is what I'm going to use to save up for my new lathe. So yes, I'll be learning a lot. I think it's not every mistake is a mistake. You learn from the mistakes, and hopefully you watching at home can learn from my mistakes and say, yeah, I'm not doing that. So, but I don't ever do anything that I don't feel safe doing. That being said, I do a lot of stupid stuff, but I feel safe doing it. Anyway, let's get turned into this. Okay, go.
So, I'll turn that. I'm going to cut this out on the bandsaw.
Ha! Just like magic. Off we go. Okay everyone, at the end of this video, or at the end of this turn, this is what I have. This is the mallet, the carver's mallet. Like I said, it's black butt. It is an uber hard wood. I mean, it's harder than my head. Seriously. No, I know it's hard to believe, but it's harder than my skull. That's how hard this wood is. Turned nicely though, although I reckon so would my head. Anyway, this is it. Simple, carvers, mallet. I don't know what you'd call it. Anyway, this isn't staying in my shop. This is actually, I'm going to send this to a guy named Andre. Oh, hang on, I'll get his full name. And I apologise for saying it wrong. Yeah, anyway. Andre Noronha, woodworking. I love this guy's videos. He's been a subscriber of mine since probably I started. Really supportive guy. I'm supportive back. Anyway, I love his videos. He makes spoons. He turns stuff on the lathe. Anyway, I really like his stuff, but I keep watching his videos. Every time he smacks something with a chisel, he's using a piece of wood. So I thought I might turn him something. Anyway, this is coming to you, mate. Yeah, all the way to the Czech Republic, hey? Alright, so I'm going to get this in the mail. And for the rest of you, I'll see you soon. Stay happy, turn safe, and enjoy the world. Love, just like my love heart from my daughter. See yous.